Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you meet the spawn and combat requirements so you can actually claim a purple fruit when it appears. Make sure you're level 700 or higher, or bring teammates who are. Purple fruits tend to require high-level access. Once done, gather Billy, raid keys, and a fast devil fruit inventory slot. You'll need quick pickup. Also position yourself by common spawn zones, and set a timer to rejoin or switch servers every 20 to 40 minutes. Next, you focus on spawn hunting and timing because purple fruits are rare and pop unpredictably. Server hop systematically. Leave and rejoin or switch servers to reset fruit spawns, then check vulnerable island points 1 to 2 minutes after a reset. Prioritize islands and sea encounters that historically spawn purple. These usually appear during specific events. Make sure your group has roles. Someone distracts enemies, someone clears pathing, and you move in to pick up the fruit immediately, minimizing risk of losing it. Finally, when the purple fruit is available, you act fast. Run in, pick it up, and don't immediately eat it until you confirm it's the correct fruit and you're in a safe spot. Once secured, place it in a known hotbar or protected inventory slot so you won't lose it on death. If you need to test abilities, do so in a controlled area. If something goes wrong, like the fruit disappearing, immediately server hop and rescan the usual spawn islands while coordinating with teammates to speed recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.